What's up, guys? Good to see you and welcome to the vlog. Welcome to my life. I haven't done a vlog in a while, so I just wanted to pop in, show you guys a full day of eating, also give you some very important updates. First things first, how's the bulk going? So for those of you who are maybe haven't been following me for a while, a few months ago I started what I called the keto bulk. Basically what prompted that was I was in Denver, I was super stressed out, a lot of things weren't going my way, I had a lot of important decisions to make. When I stress out, I don't eat. And so that kind of made me lose more weight than I wanted to. My performance in the gym was going down. I basically needed to get myself back to a healthy place. So I started the keto bulk with the intentions of eating more, being more healthy, and improving my performance at the gym. Today, I can say confidently I have succeeded in all three of those things, but I'm sorry to announce that I quit the keto bulk. And the reason is simple. I, again, kind of felt like I was getting pushed out of my element. I felt like I was on a diet. Things weren't it was more stressful than it needed to be, tracking my food every day, stepping on the scale every day, measuring ketones every day. The same thing happened to me when I did the 21-day 4,000 calorie challenge where I kind of just lost myself. So a few weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, I just said, you know what? I'm going to continue. I feel like this is successful. I'm going to continue with what I'm doing, but I'm not going to step on the scale. I'm not going to let the scale defeat me. I'm not going to measure my ketones all the time. I'm just going to go with the flow, and it's really paid off. I'm in a really good spot. And one quick thing about the scale, because I get so many people who stress out about it, and I keep telling you guys the scale lies. It is your biggest enemy, your biggest obstacle to making this diet a lifestyle. For example, this is one of my clients. Give him a round of applause. He's making awesome progress, but he has gained 2 pounds in this picture, but you can tell his body recomposition has drastically changed. This is only after like 6 weeks, so imagine where he's gonna be in 6 months, guys. But listen, I'm a big believer in non-scale victories. Stop focusing so much on the scale, because I promise you it's a liar. Start focusing more on how you feel, how your energy levels are improving, how you're playing more with your kids, how coworkers are starting to say, hey, you look different, or I'm noticing something different about you, how your clothes fit, how you look in the mirror. All of those things are way more important than what that scale says. We've also got baby news to share with you guys. Carly's gonna give you an update later on in the video. Since this is a full day of eating video, I'm going to go over what I had first today, which was my keto coffee. I start off every single morning with keto coffee. It's a good way to get healthy fats. It also suppresses my appetite, and I always go to the gym pretty much first thing in the morning. I don't like eating before, but I want energy, so my keto coffee really supplies me with that. Now, my keto coffee concoctions have changed a lot in the 3 years that I've been doing this diet. I'd say I've had like 10, 12, 15 recipes that I've used. My current keto coffee routine is this, and this has changed my routine forever. Before, I was using a Keurig. Then my buddy Logan Sneed was like, yo, they're linking that to cancer. Logan Sneed is fighting brain cancer. So when he says that, it kind of freaks me out. I'm not trying to freak you guys out about Keurigs, but I just kind of felt like it was a little bit dirty. And then when he told me that, I was like, okay, I'm gonna try something else. He put me on to French presses. Gotta admit, I was a little bit intimidated by this thing when I first started it out, but I love it. I also love the process of making my coffee every morning. There's something about it that just is like therapeutic for me. It just feels like I'm more involved with it. So grinding the whole beans up, allowing it to sit and be patient while I wait for my coffee. The whole experience is awesome, and I have to admit, I will use a French press for the rest of my life. You can pick these up on Amazon. It is relatively easy to make the coffee, so I highly recommend you do that. Another addition to my keto coffee is this. So this bad boy here is not a soap dispenser, it's an MCT oil dispenser, and it is genius. So shout out to my friends over at Kiss My Keto for putting this together. The biggest problem with MCT oil is it is messy. Every time I've ever used MCT oil, it always gets all over my hands when I squirt it out. It's a disaster. It gets on my computer, on my phone, and it really is inconvenient. But the guys over at Kiss My Keto said, why don't we put a little dispenser on top? All I have to do, press down on this 3 times, that equals 1 tablespoon of MCT oil, and problem solved. Now, this is C8 C8. So C8 is like a higher strand, a more pure form of MCT oil. The good thing about C8 is it does not upset your stomach, which is very important for me because I'm getting ready to go to the gym. I don't need disaster pants at the gym. So guys, I highly recommend you pick up some MCT oil. That is one thing that I have really increased is my MCT oil consumption. There's one more thing I put in my coffee. Actually, there's two things. Obviously, we have Kerrygold butter. I use the gold version, which is salted. I know there's like this huge debate over salted, unsalted. I feel like it just comes down to preference, but I also have more MCTs. But this is my newest obsession. Again, shout out to my guys over at Kiss My Keto for giving me all this amazing products. This is called Keto Cocoa, and it is phenomenal. It's basically MCT oil, chocolate flavored MCT oil powder. I put a little bit of this in my coffee and I feel like I'm having hot chocolate. Another way of increasing MCTs. Also, Keto Chef Max is baking amazing recipes, making awesome fat bombs with this coming up soon. I think this is actually sold out on their website, so hopefully they get that back in stock soon. All right, so before we get any further, I want to clarify one thing. Throughout this full day of eating video, I am not going to track. I apologize. Typically, I do track on days like this, but I'm just gonna use the force, as they say. I'm going to eat instinctively, and I can do that because I know exactly what types of foods I need to eat. I follow my instincts, so when I'm hungry, I eat. If I'm not hungry, I don't eat. Who knows? Maybe I'll eat one meal a day today, maybe I'll eat two, depending on my workout, maybe I'll eat three. So I just let my body decide, but here's the deal. No matter how many calories I eat today. What? What do you got to say? Yeah, so no matter how many calories we eat. I'll see you guys at the gym. Yo, we are at Big Tech's gym. Look who we got. We got Keto Hawks in the house. And y'all know Keto Chef. Updates, what's been up with you, man?
Just progressively leaning out.
Leaning out? You're on that shred.
Yeah.
He's on that keto
It's the summertime, right?
Yeah, man. Looking good. What about you, Max? What do you got going on?
Oh, I got a fat bomb here for...
So, pre-workout, Max brings a fat bomb because he's like the crazy... He's a fat bomb king. So what do we got here? Tell us what we got here.
All right, so we got a tahini and cocoa rouge fat bomb.
Tahini?
Yeah, tahini is basically sesame that's been ground up.
Okay.
So yeah.
All right.
It's got some flake salt on it.
All right. So I'm gonna take a bite. And I'm gonna save some for the Hulk. Oh snap!
Yeah, that cocoa rouge in the bar is like super fudgy.
Oh.
Yeah.
Recipe coming soon to the channel.
Yeah, man.
Give Max a follow. Do you just post this on Instagram?
Yeah, I just posted it on Instagram.
I'll put his Instagram in the description below.
Dude, that's delicious.
It's bomb.
It's so good.
No pun intended, but that's
definitely
bomb.
A lot of chocolate.
It tastes like fudge, right?
All right.
Oh yeah.
What are you training today? Are you working out?
I'm doing back.
Back day for him.
Deadlift.
Yo, what's going on? We got like a crazy... Big Tech's gym is lit. If you ever want to come train with us, guys, hit us up, man. If you're in the Austin area, we'll throw it down here at Big Tech's. They got powerlifting meet going on. Is that what they're doing?
So basically all the people who enter today, they pay $10 and all the proceeds are actually going to veterans.
All right.
And everyone's trying to hit PRs today. That's what's going on today.
PR day for the vets. God bless our troops, man. So we're going to tear this workout up. I'll see you guys when we're done.
Real bad boy. I've got a ton of gravel in my shoes, world on my shoulders, a heart full of blues, and in the dirt, down in the dirt. I've been a real bad boy on the town on
right, so that's a wrap on this chest workout, and today is our lucky day, man. So Big Tech's Gym catered the event that they're having right now. So what do we got here?
We got some hamburgers and some ribs and some great brisket.
Is it good?
It's real good.
Max already ate his brisket. I told him to wait for this clip, but he couldn't. So big shout out to Big Tech's Gym. Thank you very much. Obviously, we opted for no bread. What else do they have?
Ketchup, they had potato salad, it looked like macaroni salad maybe.
Yeah, so we just bypassed all that. They know I'm keto here, so they didn't even ask me, but he had to resist them asking. But so I'm not tracking, like I said today, so I'm not worried about tracking all of this stuff. One thing I do concern myself with is whether or not this this little beef rib here, is this beef or pork rib?
It's gonna be a pork rib.
This is a pork rib, okay, but is there sugar in this sauce? Now, since I'm just having one, I'm not too concerned with it. If you're really insulin resistant and you really gotta watch out for that stuff, kind of try and watch out, see if you can get it naked like if you're at a restaurant, right?
Yeah, right.
Everything else clean, checks out. One other thing that I was thinking is if I had like this at home or if I was at a restaurant, I could order more stuff, is add fat to it since it's a very high protein meal. This will spike insulin, but you can blunt the insulin response
With more fat.
by adding fat. So fat acts as a buffer, okay? And so I would maybe add some MCT oil, maybe add some, an avocado would be
Oil, yeah,
perfect.
on this, you know, not too
Mayonnaise.
nothing strong, you know. You don't want anything to cover up the flavor of the beef.
Mayonnaise, speaking of mayonnaise, we got an awesome mayonnaise recipe that I'm trying to hurry up and edit right now. Max gets to shoot all these friggin' awesome recipes and I gotta go home and edit them.
Yeah, I don't have to worry about any of that.
But okay, so we're gonna eat this meal. Max has gotta go get to the kitchen to cook some more stuff. I'll see you guys back at home.
2 hours later.
All right, guys, so we're gonna give you a very quick baby Whitrock update.
We are 12 weeks.
12 weeks going strong. How you feeling these 12 weeks?
It's been rough. I've been really nauseous and really tired. But I think it's harder just having a toddler to chase around.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Yeah, last time I was able to rest and
just chill and just kind of focus on being pregnant. Now you're like running, and Paxton is a handful.
Yeah.
And I try and help out as much as I possibly can, but you're a trooper, so.
But he's fun. I
Yeah.
can't wait for him to be a big brother.
I think he's going to be an awesome big brother. I'm glad that they're like so close in age. I'm like visualizing myself like with him having, you know, somebody to play with. Also,
He's gonna love that. He's gonna
He
love
is.
having someone to play with all the time.
like we had his birthday party and it was so cool because he had so many people over here, all these little kids, and just watching him play with other kids like melts my heart. Me personally, I think he's gonna have a little brother, but maybe that's because I have a younger brother and I'm kind of like already picturing in my head him like kicking soccer balls with his little brother. And
I keep thinking it was weird because we just went to an ultrasound like a couple days ago and we could see the baby like really moving around a lot, and like while I was watching the baby I kept thinking, oh, she's so cute, and like I kept thinking her and she. But
did you think Paxton was a boy or a girl? I forget.
I don't know. I know right before I found out I was like almost certain it was a boy.
I thought it was gonna be a girl.
Yeah,
and remember,
I was like
remember,
almost certain he was a boy.
Yeah, I'd like to have a girl too, though.
I would like either. Like there's
Yeah,
benefits
either one
of
we're
either
good.
one.
We're
so,
blessed up either
yeah.
way. We're very excited. So again, thank you guys for your support. Oh, did we already tell them what the size was?
So the baby's size of an apricot.
An apricot. Apricot. Show me what an apricot is. I haven't seen an apricot in forever. Can they even see that?
I don't know.
I don't know. Like the size of an apple.
And then the baby is also the size you can change it. You need
What do you
more?
think? You need more?
The baby's also.
Show everybody your shirt. Your shirt says, oh, look, he's ducking under us. Okay, go on. There you go, buddy. Oh,
Okay,
he just wanted to
hand
he
it
just
to me.
wanted to deposit his trash onto mommy.
I'm the trash can.
What else did you say? Oh, it's the size of a little toy.
Of a little army soldier man.
Yeah. So we're very excited.
probably, like-
So that's the update. We'll update you guys probably in the next vlog.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got this amazing meal here that I'm very excited to eat. Also, it was very quick to make, which is awesome. So we've got 3 whole eggs. By the way, guys, if you haven't seen my egg video, I did it World's Best. One sec. Like I was saying, we did an egg video that was absolutely incredible. Make sure you guys check that out. So we have 3 whole eggs. We cooked it in duck fat, which I've been experimenting with. Don't knock it till you try it. It's actually very, very good. We also have Brussels sprouts. Do you like Brussels sprouts, bro? Brussels sprouts are absolutely underrated green leafy vegetable. I've been obsessed with them lately. Cook those in butter. And then we've got avocado. You wanna try a bite of avocado? Paxton doesn't like avocado, and I don't like it when avocado has the little brown bruising. I don't know why. Mentally, I just can't get over it. But anyways, we're going to eat this very nutritious, very high-fat meal.
A few moments later.
Yo, real quick, I want to give a very special shout out to my boy Nathan. This is Nathan's before and after picture. Nathan and I have actually known each other for a few years, and back before I ever discovered keto, you know, as a trainer, I was always like trying to get people to cut carbs, and my thing was carb cycling, and that's what I used to preach before I ever found keto. And I had a program called 28 to Great. If anybody out there remembers 28 to Great, I know you're a real OG follower. But Nathan got a lot of good progress on 28 to Great doing the carb cycling. I got good progress carb cycling as well, but it was never the final solution. And so when I kind of discovered keto, I was glad that he kind of picked up on it as well. He's made an amazing transformation. But the best thing about this, after speaking to him, is that this is sustainable for him. This is something he feels confident in. He feels better physically, mentally. His whole life has changed because of this, which is awesome. And the other thing is, you know, I could gather that he doesn't feel like he's on a diet. Like it's just he's living the lifestyle now. So I'm very proud of you, Nathan. Keep spreading the word, my man. Pay it forward. Tell everybody your story. Scream it from the mountaintops. We're all proud of you, bro. What are those? What are those? Can you say seeds? Can you say seeds? Yeah, sunflower seeds. Can I have some? Thank you. Fresh haircut. Look at that shirt. Word to my mama. Styling, bro. All right, guys, so that's going to be a wrap on today's vlog. It felt good to be back, man. I really like doing the vlogs. I'm not really going to eat another meal. I can already tell, man, it's already 7:30. I know I'm not going to eat another meal. If I do get hungry, I'll probably have some more salted sunflower seed kernels, or maybe one of Keto Chef Max's fat bomb recipes. The guy's killing me with these fat bombs, man. I'm telling you, he is the king of fat bombs. We're gonna have a lot of cool recipes. Guys, I got a lot of amazing things coming that I'm super, super excited about. Just adding diversity to my channel. We've got a lot of cool things coming up with this exciting platform that I'm building for everybody. I can't really share much details right now. Nonetheless, I can't thank you guys enough for your support. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. As always, keep up the good work. Hey, buddy, you gonna blow everybody a kiss? And much love.